And ang panawagan namin is intayin nila kami. Ano? Intayin nila na kami naman ang magpresenta ng aming ebidensya para pabulaanan lahat ng mga lumalabas ngayon laban sa ating Vice Presidente. Well, the defense team is not here to lose, hindi ba? So, binuo kami, we only have one target. It's not just to win, but actually to show the general public and the people of the Philippines na walang katiwalian, na walang katotohanan sa mga ikangay katiwalian na binabato sa ating Vice Presidente. And when we talk about vindication, last year, di ba, tinatanong kami, do you feel vindicated with the Supreme Court decision? Kami mismo nag-admit na hindi kasi wala pa tayo sa merit. So maybe only that time will the Vice President feel vindicated. No? And that's what we're here for. We're here to protect the rights of our client, and we're here to show the evidence, to present the evidence, to test the evidence of the prosecution, and to show the Filipino people na hindi corrupt ang ating Vice Presidente at walang katiwaliang ginawa ang ating Vice Presidente sa kanyang termino. If it does go to trial, let's wait for the trial. Hintayin na lang kami mag-cross-examine so we can unmask, all these witnesses against the Vice President and show you kung ano ba talaga ang nangyari dito sa mga aligasyon.